Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a crucial piece of gear for any audio enthusiast or professional. The HUALEU 3.3FT balanced XLR female to right-angle 1.4 TRS mixer cable. Right off the bat, one notices the robust construction of these cables. They feel substantial, not flimsy, which immediately inspires confidence in their durability. The connectors themselves are solid, designed to withstand the rigors of regular use, whether in a home studio or a live setup. What truly sets these HUALEU cables apart is their balanced design. This is absolutely vital for minimizing unwanted noise and interference, ensuring a clean, pristine audio signal, especially over longer runs. Though at 3.3 feet, these are perfect for connecting gear in close proximity. The combination of a 3-pin XLR female connector on one end and a right-angle 1.4 TRS, 6.35 stereo male, on the other makes them incredibly versatile. This configuration is ideal for linking microphones to mixers, connecting audio interfaces to studio monitors, or patching various pieces of pro audio equipment where a balanced stereo signal is required. Now, let's talk about what's inside. These aren't just any cables. They boast 6N OFC oxygen-free copper and silver plating. For those unfamiliar, 6N OFC signifies an extremely high purity of copper, which drastically reduces signal loss and distortion. The silver plating further enhances conductivity, leading to a more transparent and detailed sound reproduction. This HIN designation isn't just marketing. It translates to a noticeable improvement in audio clarity, allowing the nuances of your sound to shine through without compromise. The right-angle 1.4 TRS connector is a thoughtful design choice, particularly useful in tight spaces or when one wants to keep cable management neat and tidy, preventing unnecessary strain on equipment ports. And the fact that they come as a 2-pack is fantastic value, providing immediate connectivity for stereo setups or offering a convenient backup. Ultimately, the HUALEU 3.3FT balanced XLR to 1.4 TRS cables are designed for those who prioritize audio fidelity and reliable performance. They are an excellent investment for anyone looking to upgrade existing cables or set up a new system with high-quality connections. Expect a cleaner signal, reduced noise, and a more professional sound from a mixer, amplifier, or microphone setup. These cables truly deliver on their promise of high-end audio performance.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.